Hi everyone, Silly Miss Millie gonna show you how to make a super simple friendship bracelet that I am wearing here in class today. And I wanted to show you the materials we're gonna use to make this. I've got a piece of paperboard with a circle cut into it, a Sharpie and a pair of scissors and a bunch of yarn, and I'll show you how to get started. The first thing you're gonna do is take your scissors and your paperboard and go ahead and cut out a circle shape. I trace these for my students, that way they're already ready to go. So all you have to do is cut them out. It doesn't have to be perfect, we just need a circular shape. Toss that to the side. Now I need 8 marks on my circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roughly 8 equal marks going around that circle. So this is what it should look like. 8 marks going around your circle. And then I'm going to need 7 strings. 7 strings, 8 marks. So let me take my scissors and cut each mark just a little bit, enough to squeeze my yarn in between each little cut. Okay, so after that's done, each little line has a mark in between so my yarn can fit. So let me fast forward just a second and show you what it will look like. You get 7 strings and 8 little cuts. I have my 7 strings here. They're coming out of the bottom. They're tied together in a knot. So the 7 strings kind of looked like this on the other end. It was like this, tying them in a knot. Take that knot, put it down in the middle, and then each string is just put in one of the grooves, just like that. Okay, now, the part that actually weaves it into a friendship bracelet. You take this circle, this empty cut, this empty notch facing your body, and count 3 pieces of yarn over. So 1, 2, 3, lift up that piece and put it in the empty notch. Rotate, 1, 2, 3, pick up that empty one, put it in the empty slot. Rotate again, 1, 2, 3, pick it up, put it in the empty space. You keep doing that again and again. Okay, so after that time lapse, you can see how much of the bracelet I've already got finished. It makes this really nice pattern. This is what it looks like coming out the back side. The more you do it, the longer this gets, and this is what will eventually turn into your bracelet. Okay, have fun. If you make this at home or try this at home, be sure to bring it in. I want to see what you do. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.